it's storming out. Would you like to come in? Is that why you're there? Hmm? Would you like to come in? What you doing?
What you doing, dearie? It's okay.
Go get some popcorn off the table. See if we can lure her out of here.
It's okay.
What you doing here?
Mom, I'm going to do something.
Huh? How can we get you to leave? This is my doorway. You're causing people to stop by on the road looking in my door.
It's okay. No, it's okay, dearie.
You should go find a tree to lay under.
Lay under
I know it's storming bad, but we don't bring deers in the house. I'm sorry, you're not like our dog.